Hi there. Thank you very much for visiting our website, HeroTime1.com. My name is Hersh. I am the owner and founder of HeroTime Manufacturing. Many board game creators, whether they're small, medium, or even large, are going through this process day by day to make their board game. This process is extremely complicated. It requires everything from choosing the right components, designing the artwork, designing the game, manufacturing it, shipping it, fulfilling it, and so forth and so on. Because it is such a complicated process, I embarked on the mission on making it easy for you to access all the information you need, get all your games manufactured in the highest quality, all the while maintaining affordable prices. If you have any questions whatsoever about anything in this process, please feel free to contact us and send us an email so we can get back to you as fast as possible with the most accurate and relevant answers.